Did you know that you can get paid for simply watching YouTube videos? And in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can earn that money. But before that, just a friendly reminder about the huge giveaway on this channel. You can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, or $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know that and you've already liked the video, let's begin. Let me guess, you watch YouTube videos every single day, right? And absolutely love doing that because it has a variety of content from different creators, all different genres of videos, and so much more. But if you like watching videos so much, why not get paid for that? Yes, you heard that right. You can get paid for watching YouTube videos all day long using this simple strategy. The strategy that I will talk about is completely free. So if you are someone who is just starting out, this might prove to be very helpful for you, and this strategy is completely beginner friendly and available worldwide. So all you need is a device, be it a laptop, a desktop, or even a smartphone, and a decent internet connection so you can get started with this strategy right away. Now make sure you watch the whole video and do not skip any part, as I will be giving you some extra tips in between the video so you can make more profit out of this strategy. So if that sounds cool, then I am the executive, and for more such free and easy online money making tips, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icons so you never miss another update from this channel. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Now before I talk about the strategy, I will show you the type of videos that you will be watching. So this video right here is a music video and it's trending a lot on the trending page. So if you are someone who enjoys watching music videos, then you are in luck. Another type of video that you will be watching is this one right here, random cat videos or viral animal videos. So these videos are really cool and you will be paid to watch these types of videos. But if you don't want to watch, you won't even have to watch these videos. You can open them in a separate browser and let them play in the background, and you will still get paid. Now the first website that we will be using to make money by watching YouTube videos is this one called Quick Rewards, which you will find at quickrewards.net. This is not the highest paying site, but you can definitely get started here, as this is one of the top sites you can get started with to earn money by watching videos. Now, when you log on to this website, you can see that they have paid over $7 million to their members since 2002, which means that this is a reputable site. Also, you can redeem your money even if your earnings are as low as 1 cent, and they will pay out through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and free in-store gift cards. Now click on create an account and it will take you to a page where you will have to enter a few details. Complete a CAPTCHA to get started. Now after you sign up, you can see something like this on your dashboard. We are going to click on the option button on the top right hand side and click on redeem, and as you can see that they will provide you with gift cards of Amazon, Applebee's, Domino's, and so many other stores and restaurants. So you can get gift cards to your favorite stores and restaurants, or you can get an Amazon gift card that you can use to shop on Amazon. Now, if you don't want any Amazon or Applebee's gift cards, then it's fine. You can click over here on PayPal, enter the amount that you want, and you can redeem your money. So when you log into quickrewards.net, this is what your dashboard will prominently consist of. So what you would do is click on daily views right here, and that will take you to this page right here, where you can see that they have a bunch of different ones. You have different categories that you can select with your videos from, and you can see here that this one from AdSend videos has the highest points, which you can redeem and get paid through PayPal, or you can redeem your points to get on Amazon gift cards. But this is not the offer that you will click on. I will show you an offer that will pay you even more and has a lot more videos. So what you would do is scroll all the way down and select this one called Quick Rewards Flicks TV. There are 3 options right here, but you can select any one as all of them will give you the same points. This one I found the best because it has a variety of different videos, and these videos are high paying and less time consuming. So if you have a few minutes to spare or have a tiny break from your work, then you can watch these videos to earn points. Now you can select from any of the 3 options, so I will click on the first one, and it will take you to a page that has a variety of videos. And as you can see, that they have sorted their videos into categories like top videos, art, entertainment, fashion, food, lifestyle, auto, fitness, and much, much more. So they provide you with so many different videos to watch, and you are not forced to watch any one single video. Instead, you can select from a wide variety of videos, and even if they don't have any videos that you like, you can select any video that you want and let it play in the background on a separate browser while you can focus on something different. You can scroll memes on Instagram or texting someone, or watch videos that you like on a separate browser, all the while this video is being played on a separate browser in the background. So this is actually a great way of making money using quickrewards.net via Flix TV, where they will provide you with different categories of videos that you can select from. Now, we will be moving on to a website that pays you even more, the highest paying website that you can use to earn money by watching videos. But before that, if you haven't already liked the video, then make sure to leave a like and share this video with your friends, as it helps me with the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos on such topics for you. The second website, the website that will pay you the highest for watching videos in your free time, is this one called TimeBucks, which you can find at timebucks.com. This is a relatively new site that you can use to earn money online by watching videos. So once you log on to the website, you will have to first sign up, which you can do by manually entering your email and password, or simply sign up using Facebook. Once you are done with that, this is what your dashboard will look like. So what I want you to do is immediately click on Earn. Then click on Content, and you will see under the Content section they have all different methods you can use, like watching slideshows, push clicks, engage on social media. But what we will do is click on Videos, and you can see that they have lined up videos that you can watch to make money. As you can see here, the videos have payouts, and you might think that the payouts are small, but they add up really quick because you can literally open different tabs in the browser and watch all the videos at the same time and collect all the hefty cash. This is a very simple and very time-efficient way of making money, because if you don't want to, you won't even have to watch the videos. You can literally play them in the background and do something else. Now, you might be thinking, well, how do all these websites pay you for simply watching videos? Well, let me show you. Let's click on any of these videos here, and it has directed me to the video. Now, you will notice this right off the bat, that an ad is being played before the video starts. So these websites have a few sponsors that pay them for displaying their ads, and they pay you for watching that. So all of these websites are paying you a portion of their ad revenue because you are watching all these ads. So this is in general how these websites earn money and how you can make money using such websites. It is very easy, time efficient, and you don't need any extra investment or any skill to earn using this technique. Now, if you want to know how you can earn hundreds of dollars using this simple strategy, I am linking this video right here. Make sure you give this a watch. Tell me in the comments below what type of videos you normally watch on YouTube. Also, did you find the hidden keyword? If yes, then make sure to enter that in the comment section and follow the given steps to stand a chance of winning the giveaway. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it for now.